water hyacinth will cover lake and ponds, and literally this naturally affect the water flow, and it will block the sunlight towards to reach the aquatic plants, which often die. Okay, as we know, water hyacinth has become an important and pernicious invasive species. So there are a lot of impact toward this water hyacinth. Then we have covered a few of effect if we are not controlling. So it's showtime.
Water hyacinth is known as a floating weed which has a prolific growth and in a relatively short period. This species is one of the most widely distributed species. It also can cover large of water bodies like a carpet. Water hyacinth is listed in 100 worst invasive species in the world.
Water hyacinth is native to South America and Brazil, originated from Amazon basin, extensive lakes, and marshes of Pantanal region of West Brazil. This invasive species has been introduced to over 50 countries among 5 continentals. Around 1980s to 1995, these species have been introduced across the world for ornamental plants. These species also have become invasive species in Malaysia.
For water hyacinth physical characteristic, the leaf or above the water is white and usually spongy. The underwater leaf is long and thin. The body of the water hyacinth is a floaty plant, and the flowers is slightly two-slip, 6 stamens, long anthers attached near the base, showy and light blue to bluish purple, and usually 1.5 to 2.25 inches long and wide. As for the roots is at the end of the leaf.
Water hyacinth will affect the aquatic ecosystem such as fishes. Decreasing in the dissolved oxygen concentration, it will also decreasing in the fish abundance. Thus, it affecting the higher trophic level.
Okay, as we can see from here, this plant also create a prime habitat for mosquitoes, the classic vector of disease, and there is also a species of snail which is known to host parasitic flatworm, which causes cytosomiasis, which is known as snail fever.
As conclusion, the most effective method relies on prevention. If prevention is no longer possible, it's the best to treat the weed infestation when they are small to prevent them from establishing. Therefore, there are a few mitigations in control this water hyacinth.
Heavy nutrient loading in water come from erosion of cultivated land, cattle yards, domestic and municipal sewage, and wastewater discharge from factories. According to Burton 2005, this nutrient inflow can be reduced and prevented by treating the water before it discharging into the waterways.
Another mitigation, the action of mechanical harvesters and chopping machine, remove water hyacinth from the water and transport it to disposal on shore.
Lastly, the introduction of biological control agents such as Neochaetina brucei has been released against water hyacinth, and in many cases, it have given excellent and sustained control.